Hey everybody, it's me, Sissy, and Little Miss Munchkin. Hey, you want to tell everybody Happy New Year? Say Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Hope everybody is off to a great start for their new year. I'm back with my first Dollar Tree haul of the new year, so let's see what we got. So, I'm back. It's a new year. I got a new Dollar Tree haul, the first of the year. Hope it's one of many. Got a lot of stuff coming up. I hope to be sharing with y'all. I want to sit down one day and just film a video and get to know me. And I am thinking about starting a new channel just to talk about low carb and diet, exercise, health, and things like that, because it's a new year. I'm going to try to get back in shape, get back healthy like I was before all this crazy virus pandemic thing and my mom being sick before all that happened. So, but y'all stay tuned for that. When I get it up and running, I'll put a link to it if anybody's interested. So, but let's get started with the Dollar Tree haul, because I do have some good stuff here. First thing I got, because it simply wouldn't fit in my bag, is I got the cute little desk trash can. I thought this would be nice to have on my desk. I'm forever writing notes on a sticky pad, and then I throw them away, and of course whatever I threw away I got to go back and find. So I'm just going to use this for my sticky notes. So we got that, and then I'm going to be doing some meal prep and trying to do a little portion control and stuff like that. So I got the Betty Crocker Easy Seal 3 storage containers. It's 2 cups each. So I thought that would be a nice little compact way to do it. So I got there's 3 in a pack, so I got 6 of those. So I got 2 packs of them. And I like the Betty Crocker one. It is a name brand, and the seals, the lids seem to stick really good. Don't mind my baby. She's out there barking at kids playing outside. So, and speaking of my babies, yes, I'm talking about you, honey. I got all the babies a new food bowl. It's so cute. It's just a little plastic bowl. It says "Where's Dinner" on it with little paw prints and a puppy in the middle. So I picked one of those up for each of the dogs, and that's $1. So, and then I found the cutest ribbon, and for the longest time I've been wanting to make some kind of lemon wreath, because I found a whole bag of artificial lemons at Goodwill, which they're in a bowl now sitting on my wine bar over there. But I found this really pretty yellow grosgrain ribbon. It's 9 feet, and this is just Floral Garden Dollar Tree brand. And then I found this really cute Zest for Life, when life gives you lemons, sweeten, love, lemony, and I can't read the rest of it because I don't have my glasses on, but maybe it'll zoom in on that and you can see it. But this was really cute, so I picked up a couple of rolls of that to make the bow for my lemon wreath whenever I get around to making it. Okay. Then I got the hanging lid. They had several different kinds. This just screws on your mason jar, standard mason jar, and then it'll hang, and it's got a little star hole in it. I thought this would be good for my little poop bags, or if you make the tissue jar, the mason jar tissue holders, or you could even put trash bags in it or wipes or whatever, but I just thought that was really cute, so I picked one of those up. And here's some more ribbon. I got, this is the, this was over in the wedding baby shower section. I'm going to be making my sister a Valentine's wreath, and I'm having the hardest time finding any ribbon. So I just picked this up in case I can work it into it. But it's 4 yards of the wired edge, and it's 1.5 inches, and it's silver. I got that. And I did pick up some of the Deco Mesh. I got several rolls of it, and it's 6 inches by 5 yards. So I got that. And then I was just grabbing things I thought to add to the wreath. I don't exactly know if I'm going to use this or not, but it's nice and glittery and shiny, and it has the hearts on it, and it's just tinsel garland, and it's 12 feet. And I found the cutest Valentine's bag. Usually I'm not real big on Valentine's Day, But this bag was just too cute with the puppies and the kitties. And it says, "Be my Malentine," and pugs and kisses. I just thought that was adorable, so I picked that up. And here's some more of the ribbon I already told you about. Oh, and I got this coordinating grow grain in the green. I thought the green and the yellow looked good together, so I picked that up. And some more of the silver. I just have all this tossed in my bag here, so I'm trying to get to. And more mesh. And more ribbon. Oh, this was a different ribbon. This was not in the Valentine's. This was over in the bridal. I don't know if you can see it, but it has glitter outline of hearts on it. So I picked that up. And I got some super glue, the 2 little packs. I was looking for the one that has the 6 tiny little packages of super glue, but they were out of it, so I picked that up. And I got adorable little makeup bag or pencil bag. It says "Be Happy" on it with the rainbows. These are always great to have to organize stuff in your car, your purse, or your makeup, or wherever. Oh, I must have well, I couldn't decide between the two, so I guess I ended up getting them both. This is the different bottle type of the super glue. Oh, now we're going to get to my signs. I got the adorable little gnome, X's and O's. So I'm going to use him on a wreath maybe. I don't know if I'm going to use him on my sister's wreath or if I'm going to do one for myself, because I picked up 2 signs. But this is so adorable. And here's another sign. This one was really cute. It says, "The key to happiness is love," and it has the heart lock and the key. I think this would be cute on a wreath, so I might try to do this one on my sister's. And of course I got a wreath form. This is the what size is this one? This is a 14-inch wreath form. I always check them because I didn't notice, but this one has a little broken spot, but I'll put some glue on that and fix it. And then they had a cutest sign, and this doesn't have to be for Valentine's Day. This can be for any time, but it says "Sisters Before Misters." So this is for me and my sister. And it has a little attached rose up here, and it came with a nice little holder over it to keep the rose from being damaged in shipping. I thought that was really, really above and beyond for a dollar store wreath sign. But I thought that was really cute. I'm going to put that in my craft room. And more Deco Mesh. Like I said, I couldn't decide what color, so I do have some pink mesh also. And it's all 6 inches, and I think 5 yards on each roll. So now we're getting down to the kind of boring. Oh, one more thing that I got. I hadn't seen these in there before. They may have had these and I just missed them, but it's the Notepad Mousepad. And like I said before, I'm all the time writing down on a post-it note, and then I can't find it. But if this is right under my mouse, I'll write a note on it. Maybe I won't lose it. But they had 2 styles, and I picked both of them up. But this one says, "You're killing it, babe. Pretty and productive. Girls run the world, and check you out." That's really cute. And then this one just has today, this month, this week. And there's several in the pack. Let's see. And it measures 8 by 6 inches, and there's 40 sheets in each one. So that is really cool to go in my office. I'm going to leave one here at home and take one to my work. And I think that's about it, y'all. I got some zipper storage bags, a gallon size. These are great to have for storage. And a sink strainer. I get these like once every couple of months. I put them in my sink to, keep the little bits and debris going down. And when they get too nasty for me to clean, I just throw them away and get a new one. And of course, I always get the dog waste bags. These have been really good of late. They haven't, sometimes you get them and the bottom's split out of them, or they won't peel apart, or they're cut wrong, but they've been doing good lately, so I picked those up. But anyway, y'all, that is my first Dollar Tree haul of the year. And it's only the 8th, so I'm doing good. Hope to see you soon with a craft video. And if I get my other channel up and running, I'll put a link to it so y'all can join me over there. And stay tuned. I've got a lot of plans for this year. Hopefully life won't interfere too much and health will be good, and I can be out there crafting and showing it and sharing it with y'all. So remember, if Sissy could do it, you can do it too. So we'll see you next time. Bye bye.